In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore a deleted project in the Google Cloud Console step by step. If you've accidentally deleted a Google Cloud project, or you're worried that an important project is about to be gone forever, don't panic. Google actually gives you a recovery window, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to go, what to click, and how to restore your project safely before it's permanently deleted. This is a super important process for developers, admins, and cloud engineers. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Google Cloud and software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Cloud Console. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that originally owned or had permission on the deleted project. This is very important because you won't be able to restore a project if you're logged into a different account. Once you're inside the Google Cloud Console, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the navigation menu, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open up the main menu where all Google Cloud services and settings are located. From this menu, scroll down and find IAM and Admin, then click on it. IAM and Admin is where Google Cloud manages permissions, identities, and resources across your organization or account. After clicking IAM and Admin, look for an option called Manage Resources and click on it. This section shows you all the projects and folders associated with your account, including active projects and those that are pending deletion. On the Manage Resources page, look carefully for a section or filter labeled Resources Pending Deletion. Click on that option to view projects that have been deleted but are still within the recovery period. Google Cloud allows you to restore a deleted project for up to 30 days after it was deleted. After that 30-day window, the project is permanently removed and cannot be recovered, so timing is critical. In the Resources Pending Deletion list, locate the project you want to restore. Double-check the project name and project ID to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've found it, click on the project. You should now see an option that says Restore. Click the Restore button to begin the recovery process. Google Cloud will process the request and start restoring the project. This may take a few moments depending on the size and configuration of the project. Once the restoration is complete, the project will reappear in your active projects list in the Google Cloud Console. Keep in mind that while the project itself is restored, some services or resources may need a few minutes to become fully available again. It's also a good idea to review IAM permissions, billing settings, and enabled APIs after restoration to make sure everything is configured correctly. And that's it. You've successfully restored a deleted project in Google Cloud Console before the 30-day deadline. If this video saved you time or helped you recover an important project, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step cloud tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.